So before we move on to inverse functions, our last topic with composition of functions is that you can actually plug in values into these new functions that we've created. So fog of -2, or f composed with g of -2, this means that you need to first find f composed with g, and then whatever function you get, then you need to plug in -2 into that answer. So I want to first find f composed with g of x. So I'm going to copy down my f function and then plug in the g function. Then I need to simplify. So this would be our answer if this was like the previous problems, but now they want us to actually plug in -2. So f composed with g of -2, I'm plugging in -2, and this comes out to be -3. So -3 is our final answer.